Greetings. Thank you for being here today. I'm Cassandra Lee, and today I want to lead us in a meditation, a very simple, elementary, you could say basic meditation. And I invite you to join us, to join me in just practicing a few moments of being present in stillness. And what that looks like, in case you just want to watch, and what that feels like, in case you want to follow along. So, when you're ready, if you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes and sit comfortably and straight. If standing feels better for you today, or perhaps lying on the ground or on your floor, that's perfectly acceptable. I invite you to do what feels right for you today, in this moment. Our goal is to be alert and yet relaxed. So we'll begin with a few deep breaths. Let's do 3. I usually inhale through my nose and breathe out through my mouth, but I invite you to do whatever feels comfortable for you. So, beginning with our 3 deep breaths to ground us into our body. Perhaps if it feels right, do a quick body scan and see if you notice any areas of tension. And just bring some loving awareness, some acceptance to whatever it is that you're finding in this moment. Whatever is here, let it be here, without judgment. Settling now into a natural rhythm of breathing, whatever feels right for you. Relax, be gentle, and breathe. If you're hearing my bulldog breathing, just allow that sound to be here. Whatever sounds you're aware of, just let them be present. In today's meditation, we are going to practice letting the breath be our anchor. Letting the breath be our present moment focus. As thoughts rise, and they will, we are going to try to gently, without judgment, return to our breath, to its natural rhythm. And let that be our present moment focus. Staying on the breath and the present moment. Noticing when we are entranced in a thought, gently releasing it, and returning our focus and present awareness to the breath. Noticing returning, breathing. Noticing, returning, breathing. Noticing, returning, breathing. And now we will spend 60 seconds in silence. Soaking up the stillness, we are building the strength and conditioning, the mental flexibility to detach from our thoughts, to let go, to be present with this moment, expanding our awareness, becoming the witness to our divine being behind the thoughts. In the words of Lao Tzu, the mystic philosopher from China, best known as the author of the Tao Te Ching, do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, just like the one you took today. Perhaps when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. Maybe take a few quick moments to be in gratitude, to be grateful for who you are, to be grateful for this moment right here, to be grateful for the loving being that you are, to be grateful for the divine being that you, me, he, she, us, they all are. Thank you for joining me today. Blessings.